An explosion from 0 to 100 in seconds, that V8 roar that fills your ears, and a design that defies time. We've compiled all the models that made the Mustang name legendary, along with their performance data and unforgettable characters, into a single list. How about taking a speed tour to the fastest Mustangs in history? 1964 1F hardtop, 0 to 109.5 seconds. The spark that ignited the legend. That first sports car that everyone dreamed of, with its 4.3-liter V8 engine. When you turn the ignition, you feel the moment the American dream begins. 1964 1F convertible, 0 to 110 seconds. An icon that puts freedom on four wheels with its 260 cubic inch engine. That's exactly what it's like on a spring morning when the wind blows through your hair with the roof down. 1965 Fastback, 0 to 108.5 seconds. That sloping design that defies time with its 289 V8 engine. When you press the gas pedal, the deep exhaust sound behind you lets you know the roads belong to you. 1965 Shelby GT350, 0 to 106.6 seconds. That moment when a docile horse with a modified heart of 306 horsepower transforms into a wild racer. When you hold the wheel, you feel Carroll Shelby's racing spirit flowing through your veins. 1965 Shelby GT350R, 0 to 105.8 seconds. A thoroughbred athlete of the track, its race-tuned engine cuts corners with the precision of a surgeon. When you put on your helmet and hit the track, you know you're the only winner. 1966 hardtop, 0 to 108.8 seconds. The balance of the 4.7-liter V8 transforms daily commutes into a festival. Hearing that classic Mustang sound on your way to work means starting your day with the eyes of a hero. 1966 convertible, 0 to 109.2 seconds. The sun's partner. With its smooth suspension, it feels like you're crushing the clouds, not the asphalt. This is that peaceful afternoon when time stands still as you drive along the coastal road. 1966 Fastback, 0 to 108.2 seconds. With the distinctive sound of the 289 engine, it feels like it's dancing on the asphalt. Watching the admiration in everyone's eyes when the lights turn green is priceless. 1967 hardtop, 0 to 107.5 seconds. With its massive 390 cubic inch engine, it's now more muscular and more aggressive. When you floor the gas, you see the long road ahead begin to shorten. 1967 Fastback, 0 to 107 seconds. That aggressive stance that makes its rivals tremble with the roar of the 7-liter engine. When you see it in your rearview mirror, you realize it's wiser to give way to it than to run away. 1967 Shelby GT500, 0 to 106.2 seconds. With its police interceptor engine, it's the undisputed bully of the roads. When you hit the highway, be prepared to feel the world shake with every gear change. 1967 Shelby GT500 Super Snake, 0 to 105.5 seconds. An unattainable jewel in the crown of collectors, with the ferocity of a 427 racing engine. That endless power on the gas pedal is like controlling an untamed storm. 1968 California Special, 0 to 107.8 seconds. With its unique taillights, it brings West Coast style to the roads. Under the California sun, you feel like a true movie star in this special design. 1968 Fastback Bullet, 0 to 106.5 seconds. The 390 V8 engine roars like a dark blast, tearing the city apart. In that famous chase through San Francisco's steep streets, it's just you and your machine. 1968 Shelby GT500 KR, 0 to 105.8 seconds. The nickname King of the Road is proven in every piston stroke of the 428 Cobra jet engine. When you touch the gas, the roar from beneath the asphalt proclaims its kingdom. 1969 Mach 1, 0 to 106 seconds. A living machine with the shaker intro vibrating under the hood. When you kick up dust on the drag strip, you're the champion who kicks up dust on the highway. 1969 Boss 302, 0 to 106.9 seconds. The high-revving boss of Trans Am racing. When you enter corner, With that sharp steering response, you feel like you have the whole road in the palm of your hand. 1969 Boss Ford 29, 0 to 100 in 6.5 seconds. The engineering battle of the 429 V8, barely fitting under the hood. With the engine's enormous roar, you can hear the roads standing at attention in your presence. 1969 Grande, 0 to 100 in 8.5 seconds. The Mustang of luxury, its special insulation cuts out the noise of the outside world. Inside, in the leather seats, you accelerate as if you were in the comfort of a mansion. 1970 Twister Special, 0 to 100 in 6.2 seconds. That special pride of being one of only 96 lucky people. When you're behind the wheel, you know you have the legendary wind of the Midwest at your back. 1971 Boss 351, 0 to 100 in 5.8 seconds. Powered by a Cleveland engine, it's the most elegant farewell to the classic era. When you press the gas pedal, you understand how that nostalgic spirit is blended with modern power. 1971 Mach 1, 0 to 100 in 6.1 seconds. A classic that conquered the roads with its 429 Cobra jet engine. Inside its wide fuselage, you feel like you're commanding a vast empire. 1972 Sprint Edition, 0 to 100 in 7.5 seconds. A special design with colors that embody the Olympic spirit, captivating everyone's attention every time you stop. While riding is like stepping into a history book. 1973 Convertible, 0 to 100 in 8 seconds. The final farewell kiss of the classic convertible era, as you drive towards the sunset with the resonant sound of the 351 engine. You witness the closing of an era. 1974 Mustang II, 0 to 100 in 11 seconds. A compact warrior that stood tall in the midst of crisis. This is a story of never giving up, of shrinking and growing again, even in tough times. 1975 Mustang II MPG, 0 to 100 in 12 seconds. That efficient companion that makes you forget about gas stations with its fuel-efficient, bespoke transmission. You discover the power of staying calm in the city. 1976 Cobra II, 0 to 100 in 10.5 seconds. Aggressive lines, a fast-paced style icon. Although its engine is modest, driving it makes you feel like you're in an action movie every moment. 1978 King Cobra, 0 to 110 seconds. Nostalgia for the muscular graphics and that retro stance. When you accelerate, you imagine conquering the roads under the disco lights of the 70s. 1979 Fox Body, 0 to 100 in 9.5 seconds. The progenitor of legends, modern agility with a lightweight body. When you turn the steering wheel, you feel in your bones that a new era has begun. 1980 Mustang Ghia, 0 to 100 in 10.8 seconds. That smooth ride where comfort and luxury challenge performance. The peace inside makes you forget the noise of the road outside. 1982 GT 5.0L, 0 to 100 in 7.5 seconds. That legendary resurrection of the V8 from the ashes. When you turn the ignition and that familiar sound returns, you know the soul of the Mustang has been reborn. 1983 Convertible, 0 foot den 100E, 8 Sanai. Yiller Sonra Tavanen Jerry Doniswile, Osgerluck Yeniden Dogir. V8 in Cecil Ginsen Altina Suzelurken. Hyatt in any Katter Gizel Old Dugino Hatterlyerson. 1984 SVO Turbo, 0 to 100 in 7.2 seconds. The new name and performance with European turbocharging technology. Hearing the turbo whistle when you press the gas pedal is like taking a step into the future. 1984 GT 350 20th Anniversary, 0 to 100 in 7 seconds. That white and red elegance celebrating a 20-year legacy. As you drive it, you're paying tribute to the 20th anniversary of a half-century-long passion. 1987 Mustang LX 5.0, 0 to 100 in 6.3 seconds. The secret weapon of the streets, pure power packed into a lightweight body. It's great to watch in the rearview mirror as everyone else falls behind when the lights turn green. 1993 SVT Cobra, 0 to 100 in 5.9 seconds. The first modern diamond of the digital age. With the sharp responses of SVT engineering, you experience the beginning of modern performance. 1993 Cobra R, 0 to 100 in 5.4 seconds. No back seats, pure passion for speed. Taking every corner on the track, you feel that perfect lightness that comes from being free of weight. 1994 GT SN95, 0 to 100 in 6.7 seconds. A road-shattering design with a modernized aerodynamic body. This is the excitement of meeting the new Mustang face of the 90s. 1995 Cobra R, 0 to 100 in 5.2 seconds. With the aggressive power of the 351 Windsor engine, it's the toughest car on the track. Every time you press the gas, you feel time stop for a moment. 1996 Cobra Modular, 0 to 100 in 5.5 seconds. The roar of the twin overhead camshaft engine at high revs. When you downshift, you know you're at the pinnacle of modern technology. 1999 New Edge, 0 to 100 in 5.6 seconds. That aggressive design defined the millennium with its sharp body lines. Becoming one with it in the corners is like dominating a new era. 2000 Cobra R, 0 to 100 in 4.5 seconds. The plane on the runway with its massive wingspan. With the wild sound of the 5.4-liter V8, you sever your connection with the ground and dominate the sky. 2001 Bullet, 0 to 100 in 5.4 seconds. The green tint of charisma. When you walk down the street with that distinctive sucking sound, you know everyone's reminding you of that famous movie. 2003 Mach 1, 0 to 100 in 5.2 seconds. That legendary moment when the shaker intro vibrates under the hood. When you fire up the engine, feel the power of the past coursing through your veins. 2003 Terminator Cobra, 0 to 100 in 4.5 seconds. That whistle of the supercharged engine, like the awakening of a monster. When you step on the gas, see the roads tremble before you. 2004 40th Anniversary Special, from 0 to 100 in 5.8 seconds. It carries its 40-year legacy like a badge of honor. As it drives, feel like you're a part of this great history spanning nearly half a century. 2005 Mustang GT, 0 to 100 in 5.1 seconds. Retro revolution, the spirit of the 60s reborn in modern technology. When you accelerate, feel the past and the present simultaneously. 2006 Shelby GTH, 0 to 100 in 5 seconds. The king of rental cars with its black and gold elegance. Driving it feels like being part of a secret agent on a special mission. 2007 Shelby GT 500, 0 to 100 in 4.5 seconds. The modern battle of 500 horsepower supercharged power. With every gear change, feel the Shelby legend return in your hands. 2008 Bullet, from 0 to 100 in 5 seconds. That cinematic power in simplicity. Watch how that deep green shadow affects everyone as he silently walks down the street. 2009 Iacocca 45th Anniversary, 0 to 100 in 4.8 seconds. A tribute to Lee Iacocca, the elegance of silver. Behind the wheel, you are managing the legacy of one of history's greatest. 2010 Shelby GT 500, 0 to 100 in 4.3 seconds. Advanced aerodynamics that know no fear, even in corners. When you floor the gas, watch the lines of the road bow to you. 2011 Mustang GT Coyote, 0 to 100 in 4.6 seconds. The high-pitched scream of the Coyote engine is like a composition at over 7,000 revolutions per minute. Feel the limitless power to your core with the sound of the engine. 2012 Boss 302, 0 to 100 in 4.2 seconds. The true master of the tracks, with its racing-type manifold, it attacks corners with ferocity. Every turn on the track proves your expertise. 2012 Laguna Seca, 0 to 100 in 4 seconds. No backseat, just speed. As you tackle the dust of the track, never forget you're in the seat of a thoroughbred racer. 2013 Shelby GT 500, 0 to 100 in 3.5 seconds. That terrifying roller coaster of 662 horsepower. When you touch the gas, see the real world leave behind and open up to a galaxy of speed. 2014 50 Years Edition, from 0 to 100 in 4.5 seconds. The unique details of the Golden Celebration. As you drive, feel the Mustang's half-century history in your hands. 2015 EcoBoost, 0 to 100 in 5.5 seconds. The agile star of the modern world, doing a lot with little fuel. Gliding through the narrow streets of the city with it means enjoying modernity. 2015 GT 50th Anniversary, 0 to 100 in 4.3 seconds. With independent suspension, cornering takes on a new meaning. That civilized connection you establish with the asphalt transforms driving into an art. 2016 Shelby GT 350, 0 to 100 in 3.9 seconds. That legendary roar of the flat crank voodoo engine. When you press the gas, imagine you've been teleported into a race car. 2016 Shelby GT 350R, 0 to 100 in 3.7 seconds. It flies across the track thanks to the lightness of its carbon fiber wheels. In that race where you're carried by the wind, be ready to be the first to cross the finish line. 2018 Performance Pack 2, 0 to 100 in 3.9 seconds. That special package that brings track technology to everyday life. Feel the endless confidence that the road holding gives you as you enter corners. 2019 Bullet, 0 to 100 in 4.3 seconds. The most captivating dance of classic green with modern technology. When you step on the gas, it's as if a legend from the past is conquering the roads of today. 2020 Shelby GT 500, 0 to 100 in 3.3 seconds. Dual clutch transmissions with millisecond gear changes, like a supercar waking from sleep. Prepare to feel your breath taken away as it accelerates. 2021 Mach 1, 0 to 104 seconds. That track beast refined with the Shelby touch. Discover the power of balance while managing both comfort and pure performance. 2021 Carbon Track Pack, 0 to 100 in 3.2 seconds. The aerodynamic dance of carbon fiber. The triumph of downforce. When you press the gas, it's like defying gravity. 2024 Dark Horse, 0 to 100 in 3.7 seconds. The darkest and toughest signature of a new generation. When you turn the ignition, see a new chapter opening in Mustang history for you. 2024 California Special, 0 to 100 in 4.1 seconds. West Coast fashion lives on in a modern body. To feel power within style means to be the coolest name on the road. 2025 Mustang GTD, 0 to 100 in 3 seconds. That ultimate beast that escaped the racetrack. As you drive towards the horizon with the roar of 800 horsepower. Don't forget you're at the pinnacle of Mustang history.